Hey folks, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Spark Market Mark, and I'm back to do a double unboxing, and one is from a certain website and the other one is from overseas, I believe. So yeah, enough chit chat. Open it up and see what's in this year box. Like now. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so double unboxing underneath this one. That is wrapped tightly around this one. Wow, how many layers do I have to go through? Enough, let's look inside. Alrighty, so we're looking at here the VHS slipcover of CBS Fox Videos, High Five Stereos for The Fly and The Fly 2. There are no standalones for these two. There's only one way you can get them. Here it is, the Fly Collection box set. You can still get this somewhere for a decent price. So here it is. These go with that. No chit chat, let's put them in. And here they are. 1 and 2. In their own slippies. Let's see how well could this fit. Oh, gotta be careful there. I gotta find a way to make room. It looks like I'm just gonna have to leave one outside and then the rest in here. Oh well, beggars can't be choosers. So what the heck was in this year box? This is the Second Sight Films 4K Blu-ray edition for Martin. George A. Romero's Martin. As you are aware of this, that this never got a Blu-ray release in the U.S., nor it got a good DVD release, because the DVD release from Anchor Bay was VHS transfers, and it was shitty and crappy. It was crappy all the way. I don't even know if it got a laser disc. If it did, let me or my pal Kursky Films know about this. So yeah, we've been waiting and waiting, and we finally got it. Pause that very carefully, folks. And word has it, the print for this film was believed to be long gone until they found it. And quoted, this is George Romero's best work that he did before Dawn of the Dead. And whatchamacallit, this is all region sets, but the Blu-ray itself is region 2, region B log, so you're going to need an all region Blu-ray player, or actually get a multi-disc player regional version that can play all discs, whether it be A, B, and C. So yeah, so it comes with the Blu-ray and the 4K and the soundtrack. It has a small booklet and a big page one. So yeah, I've seen the film on YouTube at its best quality. Watch that version before you buy this. So yeah, it's on Second Sight, you can still get it. We got this 3 years ago. I just bought it recently. So yeah, pause this carefully, read the contents and everything. So yeah, if you like content like this or other content, please click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate thumbs ups and comments down below. And I got these two slipcovers from Etsy. ESTY. It's known as Custom VHS Slipcovers, I believe. I'll leave the link in the description box, so follow it. Or look at it. So y'all, always appreciate the thumbs ups, y'all. And I'm in the YouTube community. I often post what time I post videos, whether it be afternoon, the early evening hours. So y'all, This is Sparky Marky Mark, signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Hear you, and see y'all in the next vid. Enjoy Tuesday, y'all. And later. Gotta go.